Hi beauties, VickyJ here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my subscribers and my new ones. It's always a pleasure to have you. So today I'm doing a follow-up on this better length hair clip-ins that I received from this company the other day. If you guys missed that video, I'm gonna put a card up in the headlines. You could definitely head over and check that out. Now they sent me out the 18-inch light Yaki, which is for relaxed hair, and I applied that into my hair in my first installation. I was a few weeks shy of my relaxer, so I had my new growths going on when I did the installation, but it worked out great. Now I am freshly relaxed, and I'm just doing a follow-up so you guys can see how it works with my freshly relaxed hair. I am a couple of days after a wash, so my hair is really not fully clean. It's a little weighed down, a little greasy, but you know, we're gonna work with it anyway. Now I find this hair really easy to work with. When I did the first installation and I was a few weeks shy of my relaxer and I had my new growth, I just used my fingers and I just sectioned the hair. It was much more comfortable for me than using a tail comb. This time around that I am relaxed and my hair is a little more smooth and silky, I really can't use my fingers to actually make, you know, straight parts in my hair. So I'm using the comb this time, which is helping out much better. Now just from looking at how this installation is going in, I really like how this hair blends with my hair. Even when I was a few weeks shy of my relaxer, it blended really nicely with my hair, and now that I'm freshly relaxed, I think it's doing a really good job as well. Now I only blow dry my hair. I usually do not use a flat iron or anything like that, so my hair is not like extremely straight. I just only have my hair blow dried and then wrapped, so that just helped to smoothen it out some more. So I think the hair blends really well. But another thing that I really do like, and I kind of prefer, is to use this hair when I have my new growths coming in, because it helps the clips to actually, you know, hold on to something a lot more stronger. Because right now that my hair is smooth and it's relaxed, I mean, the clips go in, but I just feel like I just wanted a little more support to it in the roots. But regardless, it does have a nice secure hold onto the hair, and it works out great. So as you see, this hair is just absolutely beautiful, and right now everything is just laid and it's sleek. It's slayed. This hair is totally slayed, and it's without the effort of using a flat iron. So you see, you can avoid from putting excessive heat in your hair. This hair is just beautiful. You don't need to go ahead and start applying extra heat to it. It combs out nicely. It's really sleek. It's really soft. And again, there is no shedding to this hair, so by me combing this hair out, I don't have any fallouts or anything like that, which is just perfect. So now comes the good part. You guys know that I am not into excessive heat in my hair, but for the sake of this video and styling this hair to let you guys see that it does hold a nice curl to it. And if you were wondering if it did curl well, it does, baby, it does. So I'm just using my curling wand to put a couple of curls in my hair to, you know, give it a little body, you know, show you what this hair can do and what it can work with. Now this is the light Yaki 100% Remy Human Hair. And this thing is working just as though I'm handling my own relaxed hair. So in order for these curls to stay and look nice and full and voluptuous, I have to use a pin to hold the curl up in place after I use the curling wand, you know, so it doesn't fall and stretch out to lose its definition. So right after I take the curling iron out, I just hold the hair up. I mean, it's a little hot, so you gotta be careful. I just hold it up in place. I use a pin and just pin it in place, no particular order, just making sure that the curl stays up on the hair and it doesn't hang to lose its definition. Now, even though I'm wearing these clip-ins, my natural hair underneath is not fully protected because it is only sectioned out and actually incorporated within the clip-ins. So, you know, being mindful, again, we are on this healthy hair journey, making sure that, you know, when using any types of these extensions in your hair, you know, pay attention that your hair is actually wobbling in between these hairs. So by me curling my hair, I know that my natural hair is actually getting heat on it as well. So it's something to pay attention to not do regularly, and also to make sure that you have the hair stay in a nice downward direction so the hair doesn't get all fuzzy and messed up to get any type of damage or split ends. It doesn't take a lot to get this hair curled. I only do a 20-second count while the hair is around the curling wand. So some of the curls are not really falling off the curling wand really nicely as I want, because this is pretty hot. You know, when you're using these kind of hot tools, you got to be really careful not to get burned, and it's pretty hot. So some of the curls that kind of escape and, you know, fall loose, I'm just doing a pin curl, wrapping it around my finger and then pinning it in place so the curl, you know, keeps its definition. Pin curl, mentioning that, it's definitely something I should show you guys how to go about doing. It's a really great way to create some nice waves to your hair without using heat, so look out for that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm just gonna let this hair sit and just kind of cool down a little bit, you know, so the curls can hold a little more. I'm so hot right now. I really need to cool down, and I'll be back to take it down so you guys can see the results. And this is the look, guys. What do you think? Curls are popping. Everything looks nice and voluptuous. This is some beautiful hair. I'm telling you guys, you should go and get yourself some hair right now. All the information for this site and this hair is going to be in the description box. Check out the site and get yourself some of this hair. This hair is amazing. I'm not going to be running a comb through this hair right now. I'm just going to be using my fingers just to loosen up the waves, because I don't want to break this up, baby. This is too much nice curls to just get loose. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do comment, like, and subscribe. Come back for another video, and I'll catch you later. Bye.